இந்த நிகழ்ச்சிக்கு வருகை புரிந்திருக்கும் அனைத்து நல்லுள்ளங்களுக்கும் எமது வங்கியின் சார்பாக நன்றி கூட வருகிறார் எங்கள் வங்கியின் துணைத் தலைவர் திரு நவநீத கிருஷ்ணன் அவர்கள்.
Good afternoon to all. It has been such an honor to be part of this wonderful event. On this auspicious day of celebrating 103rd Foundation Day of our bank, we salute the founding directors of the bank and submit our gratitude to the success history of our bank to them. On behalf of our organization, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Sri M.V. Muthuramalingam, Chairman, Velamal Education Trust, Madurai, who spared time from his busiest schedule to grace this occasion. Today we had an opportunity to hear his thoughts, and this will surely be encouraged us for our future events. Also, we extend our immense thanks to the guest of honors, Thiru S. Dhyanadiravyam, Founder and Chairman, Annai Group of Companies, Thiru Thangavel Nadar, Managing Director, Velavan Group of Companies, and S. Maniganda Prabhu, Managing Partner, CP Foods, for their gracious presence and wishes in our celebrations. We would like to thank our respected Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, Sri Saleh, and Executive Director, Mr. Vincent, for their presence and keynote address. We also submit my thanks to all the top-level executives of our bank for their presence with warm enthusiasm. Above all, we are delighted to extend our sincere thanks to all our esteemed customers who are contributing to the high growth and pride of our bank. With all your support, our bank will definitely reach a great height of success in future. A heartfelt thanks to all our media persons, industry friends, and other supporters who have always supported us. We thank the HO establishment department team and the PDRM team and the entire region team for having coordinated and making this function a grand success. We would also like to thank each and every one of you for being here and making this day a wonderful and memorable day.